Today we are reviewing square root. So we first need to remember how to simplify square roots. Remember, I do not want any decimals, so you need to take the square root of 80 for a. You cannot do that. You in the calculator will get a decimal. So we need to do our factor tree. 80 is 2 times 40, so any two factors you can think of here. You want to find your prime ones. So 2 is prime, no number can go into it. We have 40, which is 2 times 20. 2 is once again prime, 20, 4 and 5. 5 is prime, and 4 is 2 and 2, where the 2's are prime. So we have a pair of 2's. Remember, you want to have the pairs on the outside and singles on the inside. So we have a pair of 2's, so these come on the outside, times this pair of 2's, square root this single 5, he goes on the inside. We need to simplify that. 2 times 2 is 4, square root 5. Now, b. 15 is 5 times 3. These are both prime. No number can go into both of those, and they're in a pair, so you can't pull anything out. So we're going to leave this negative sign out front. No pair, so nothing comes out, so 5 times 3 on the inside. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. That negative, so this one really didn't change at all. We have C and D here. D is 99, which is 9 and 11. 9 is 3 and 3. Those are both prime. 11 is also prime. So here we have a pair of 3's. Pairs go outside as a single unit. So 3 square root single 11 here. So he stays inside. Okay, and then on D, we have 93. 93 can be divided by 3. So 93 divided by 3, excuse me, is 31. So 3 and 31. Now 31 is prime, so we can't do anything else with that. So once again, just like on B, we're going to just rewrite negative square root 3 times 31, so which was negative square root of 93. So B and D were already simplified. We could not simplify them more. Now if we are multiplying square roots, just multiply straight across. So 24 times 6. 24 times 6 is 144. So now we've got square root of 144. 144 is a perfect square root, or is a perfect square. So if you take the square root of it, you're going to get 12. If you do not remember that, then do your factor tree. Over here, do the outside numbers. Well, the only number on the outside is a negative 2, so it stays. We are now going to do 10 times 8, which makes 80. Well, 80 we can factor out. We did that earlier. We have 2 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 5, 2 and 2. So a pair of 2's, another pair of 2's, and single 5. This 2 comes down. This 2 gets multiplied by that 2, right there. And this 2 gets multiplied by both of those, and 5 stays inside. So negative 2 times 2 times 2, excuse me, is negative 8, square root of 5. Here we have 85 times 5. 85 times 5 is 425, so I'm going to have square root of 425. Okay, 4 square root of 425 is once again not a perfect square, so we're going to break it down. Well, obviously we just did 85 and 5. 5 is prime. 85 divided by 5 is 5 and 17. These are both also prime. So we have 5's, which are a pair. So they come out square root of 17.